In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet with Jira and set up a basic sync between the two platforms. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the Jira connector or integration area. Depending on your workspace layout, this may be found in the launcher, the integrations menu, or the list of available connectors. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving on, because this is where the connection and sync workflow will be created. Once you're there, sign into your Smartsheet account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the sheet or workspace you plan to use. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you may need the appropriate access level in order to continue. So it's a good idea to confirm that in advance. After that, connect your Jira account. Smartsheet will usually prompt you to sign in to Jira through a secure login window. Enter your Jira credentials through the official sign-in page and continue until Smartsheet recognizes the account. This step links both services together so data can move between them properly. Next, allow the required permissions. These permissions are necessary because Smartsheet needs approval to read information from Jira and, depending on the setup, potentially send updates as well. Before accepting, quickly review what access is being requested so you understand how the integration will work. Once approved, the connector can begin communicating with your Jira environment. Now choose the Jira project or the specific issues you want to sync. This is an important part of the setup because it determines exactly what information will appear in Smartsheet. If you only need a certain project, select that to keep the workflow clean and focused. If you're working with a narrower set of issues, choose only those relevant items to avoid bringing in unnecessary data. From there, map your Jira fields to the corresponding Smartsheet columns. This tells the system where each piece of information should go. For example, issue names, statuses, assignees, or dates should be matched to the correct columns in your sheet. Be careful during this step because accurate field mapping helps prevent confusion later and makes your sheet much easier to manage. Finally, save the workflow and test the connection. Once saved, run a test to confirm that the sync is working as expected and that the data is appearing in the right places. If something looks off, review the field mapping and project selection before testing again. When everything looks correct, your Smartsheet and Jira integration is ready to use.